right, in this video, I'm going to go over the characteristics of a linear function in context. All right, let's look at this example. It says the Beyonce concert is from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. The maximum capacity of fans in the stadium is 11,000. If f of t is the number of fans in the stadium t hours after 8 p.m. that night, what is a reasonable domain? And what's a reasonable range? All right, let's dissect this word problem real quick. First of all, what are we talking about? We're talking about Beyonce's concert that goes from a certain time to a certain time and a certain amount of fans that are in the stadium. All right, cool. This sentence right here that says if f of t is the number of fans in the stadium t hours after 8 p.m. that night, that's giving us some information. You know how in function notation, you're used to seeing f of x? Basically, your x is always inside of that parentheses. Well, look at this right here. You don't have an x, but you have a t. That is basically your x, meaning that's what represents the x-axis. And you know, all the values of x represent your domain. So, since t is inside the parentheses, hours is representing my domain. So, let's look at the hours. The concert is going from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. How many hours is that? You got it. That's 3 hours. So since it's 3 hours, our domain is technically going from 0 to 3. So to write it in set notation, my domain will be, for all values of x, x is the element from 0 to 3. Now, for my range, in that same sentence where it says if f of t is the number of fans, well, that's my range right there. This whole f of t represents the number of fans. How many fans do I have? You got it, 11,000. So my range, which represents the y values, is going to be an element from 0 to 11,000. And that's it.